How to add Teams to Microsoft Outlook. Want to connect Microsoft Teams with Outlook? Here's how to enable the add-ins and start collaborating faster. In Outlook, go ahead and head over into the File section and then select Options and then Add-ins. At the bottom, select Com Add-ins and click Go. Make sure the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in is checked. This adds the new Teams Meeting button to your calendar. So open up your Outlook calendar and then go ahead and click on the new Teams meeting button. This automatically inserts a Teams meeting link into your invite. Send it out, and participants can join directly from Outlook or Teams. You can also share emails directly into Teams. Open the email, click the Share to Teams button, choose a chat or channel, add note if needed, and the email will appear in Teams for your colleagues. And that is how to add Teams to Microsoft Outlook.